Hello, Basic English class, presentation topic pronoun. Contents. This presentation contains an overview of the topic pronoun, pronoun meaning, types of pronouns, examples. Parts of speech. Parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Examples: 1. She is a student. In the sentence, the word she is a pronoun. 2. They went to the library. In the sentence, the word they is a pronoun. Types of pronouns are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, relative pronoun. Types of pronouns. Personal pronoun. Examples: 1. She is a student. In the sentence, the word she is a personal pronoun. 2. They are teachers. In the sentence, the word they is a personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Examples: 1. This house is mine. In the sentence, the word mine is a possessive pronoun. 2. This book is his. In the sentence, the word his is a possessive pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. Examples: 1. She herself helped them. In the sentence, the word herself is an emphatic pronoun. 2. He himself answered the question. In the sentence, the word himself is an emphatic pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Examples: 1. She talked to herself. In the sentence, the word herself is a reflexive pronoun. 2. He hurt himself while playing cricket. In the sentence, the word himself is a reflexive pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Examples: 1. This is the book given by my friend. In the sentence, the word this is a demonstrative pronoun. 2. These are gifts from her parents. In the sentence, the word these is a demonstrative pronoun. Distributive pronoun. Examples: 1. Each of the students participated in the essay writing competition. In the sentence, the word each is a distributive pronoun. 2. Either of them can win the prize. In the sentence, the word either is a distributive pronoun. Relative pronoun. Examples: 1. He talked to the writer who wrote the novel. In the sentence, the word who is a relative pronoun. 2. He found the book which he lost. In the sentence, the word which is a relative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Examples: 1. Who is he? In the sentence, the word who is an interrogative pronoun. 2. What do you say? In the sentence, the word what is an interrogative pronoun. Thank you.